Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will create incredible salad with salmon, blue cheese, bacon, and of course, leafy greens. Honestly speaking, it will be small breakfast buffet, but it can be also brunch or lunch buffet. Doesn't matter, it will be super tasty buffet. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious stuff. Salt, freshly ground pepper. Amigos, extremely delicious, super tasty salad is landing on the table. Bon appetit!